Hello everyone. Today we will learn about data and statistics. It is said there are lies, damned lies, and statistics. Nobody can defy with data and statistics. You've already learnt in Standard 9 how to take out the mean of simple observations. We simply add the observations and divide by the number of observations, which is by sigma fx equals to sigma f. Let us now understand how to take out the mean of a group data. This is by direct method. When we can see the class interval from 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55 and so on, and the frequency has been given, our first step would be to convert the class interval to class mark, for which we add the lower limit and the upper limit of the particular class and divide by 2. This is the formula to calculate the class mark. Once we calculate the class mark, this is how the data is being represented. Now we multiply the frequency into the class mark and we get f1x1, which is sigma f1x1 equals to 1860. So the formula is sigma fx by sigma f. We get the mean as 62. Let us understand another method to calculate the mean, which is assumed mean method. We take the same example, and what we do over here is we assume that the mean is something in the center, either 47.5 or 62.5. Let us assume that it is 47.5 and see what happens. Once we assume it is 47.5, then we take out the deviation of A. That is, the class mark is represented by x1. So the deviation is, if assumed mean is 47.5, so it is x minus 47.5, and we take out the values. We multiply f column with d1 column and we get f1 d1 as 435 and sigma f1 is 30. Now what would be the formula to take out the mean? It would be assumed mean, which is represented by A, plus sigma f1 d1 by sigma f1. Substituting the values, you can see we get 62 once again. Please remember there are 3 methods to calculate the mean, but the third method, which is the step deviation method, is deleted from CBSE. So we understand these 2 methods a little more closely by certain examples. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is 18, so you have to find the missing frequency f. So please note the mean is given in this question 18 and one of the frequencies is missing. So let's see how to do this sum. First step, as usual, we take out the midpoint or the class mark. This is the class interval. We add and subtract the lower limit and the upper limit to take out the midpoint or the class mark. Now we multiply the f column with x column. So we get f1 x1. So sum over here is 44 plus f. Please note, don't write 44f because it is not multiplication, it is addition. So it will be 44 plus f. And similarly, we add this column, we get 752 plus 20f. Putting the formula and substituting the values, we get 18, which is the mean, equals to 752 plus 20f divided by 44 plus f. Solving this, we get f equals to 20, which is the missing frequency. Another example, in a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contained varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. So the number of mangoes have been given and the number of boxes are given. Kindly note the difference over here in the class interval. 52 is the upper limit in the first class and 53 is the lower limit in the second class. So it is not continuous, it is discrete. We have to make first the class interval as continuous. For this, we will find out the difference. In this case, it is 1. 53 minus 52 is 1. We divide it by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. So 0.5 we add to the upper limit and we subtract from the lower limit of all the classes. So we get this class interval, which is now continuous, as you can see. Now assuming 57 is the assumed mean, we take out the deviation. Once we know the deviation, we take out f1 d1. Putting in the formula of mean, we get the answer 57.19. Next, what is mode? Mode is the number which has got the maximum frequency becomes the mode. For example, the wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches are as follows. We first represent this in the data. 0 to 6 are the number of wickets taken and the number of matches have been represented over here, which is the frequency column. You can see 3 is the maximum frequency over here. Hence, 2 is the mode which is having the highest frequency. When it is a simple ungrouped data, you can easily find out like this. But when it is a grouped data, then you cannot find the mode by the frequency only. So this is the formula to calculate the mode when you have a grouped frequency distribution given. Let us see how we use this formula. This is the example. The ages are given and the number of patients admitted in the hospital is given. So the frequency you can see is the 23 frequency, highest frequency over here. So 35 to 45 will become the model class, 21 is the previous frequency and 14 is the succeeding frequency. Now, I have mentioned two mode formulas, which is not two different mode formulas, it is the same. But only thing is how it is represented is given in two different ways in different books. So do not be affected by it, just remember what is the correct value. So once you've got this, so you know that 35 to 45 is the model class. So highest frequency you already know is 23. So your L is represented by the lower limit of the model class, which is 35, and your FM in this case is 23, which is the frequency of the model class. Your F1 is the previous class frequency, F2 is the succeeding class frequency, which is 14. Substitute these values here and you get the answer mode, which is 36.8. Let's take another example. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some of top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. You can see the runs scored in the class interval form and the number of batsmen in the frequency. You can see easily over here 18 is the highest frequency, which means 4000 to 5000 is the model class interval. In this 4000 is L, which is the lower limit of this class interval. 4 is the previous frequency and 9 is the succeeding frequency. Now let us put the formula. Once you substitute in the formula, you get the mode as 4608.7 runs. Thank you.